enable missing power plan in Windows 10 or 11, restore high and ultimate performance power plan. If the high performance or ultimate performance power plans are missing in Windows 11, you can restore them manually using Command Prompt or PowerShell. So, first, let's start with Command Prompt. Click on WinS on your keyboard, and then from here, type in CMD, and then click on Run as Administrator under Command Prompt, and then you need to confirm using the CMD as an administrator. And then after that, restore high performance plan. So run the command power CFG, duplicate scheme, eight C 5E 7 D FDA A8BF 4A96 9A85 A6E 23A 8C6 35C. This will re-add the high performance plan to your system. Now, after that, go ahead and restore ultimate performance plan. So you need to enter another command in here to enable the ultimate performance plan, originally designed for workstation but works on Windows 10 Pro or 11. So click on WinI on your keyboard and then select settings. So on your settings, head over into the system settings and then head over into the power and battery section. And then from here, click on additional power settings. So you'll be able to find that in here. Choose high performance or ultimate performance. Now, take note that ultimate performance may not appear on laptops by default to save battery. You can still enable it manually with the command. You won't see the plan after running the command restart your PC. This plans prioritize speed and responsiveness over energy saving, so expect higher power usage.